Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to be opening up this Dodge Ram 1500 from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Hot Trucks series, and this is number 1 of 10 of that series. And we can take a look at this card art. It looks really good. As you can see, this is a TOYO Tires sponsored vehicle, and you can see TOYO tires on this side, and obviously great big tires. So this is a really cool truck, and I can't wait to open it up. So here we have our Dodge 1500 out of its packaging, and we'll take a look at the passenger side. We can see it's got that TOYO Tires sponsor logo on the side and the Dodge logo, as well as this black and yellow striping and these massive wheels. I don't know if you can see them, but they're really cool. The yellow rims kind of match the yellow here, and also the yellow windows inside, which kind of even makes the white interior look yellow because of the light coming through. And while we're looking at it, we can see it's got a sunroof. This is a pretty nice truck. It's very jacked up. It's got a nice stripe down the center and a white truck bed, which is plastic. And take a look at the back. There's not a lot of detail on the back. I mean, it's a truck, so there's really not a lot going on, but it's pretty simple. And then on the front, you've got that classic Dodge Ram grille and headlights, and these, again, huge tires. We look at it on the bottom, you can see how tall they are, how raised up they are from the bottom of the truck. This is a really cool off-road looking truck. It's definitely one of the bigger Hot Wheels that I've seen. It's just large, it's tall, it's long, it's wide as well. So I'm not sure if this would go great on the track, but it definitely looks really cool, especially with that yellow window. Well, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.